We can start.
Am I audible to all of you?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Hi everyone. I hope you give a demo regarding Verilog. So let me start. Are you guys familiar with Verilog? Can I have reply? How familiar are you guys?
We learned in the sixth semester in our bachelor's, but they didn't understand properly, so we don't know.
Okay. 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 Okay, fine. So let me just explain the different fields in VLSI, the options which are available for you guys. So coming to VLSI, so we will have front end, okay. Front end actually deals with design and verification. So you might be knowing, right? Have you heard?
Yes,
I would like to get the replies from your end. Please do reply.
Yes, ma'am. We heard. We
Right?
heard.
Yeah. Yes, RTL design. And what else?
Physical design.
Is the
also mentioned
STA
that one.
belong to front end? We have another category that is backend. Backend deals with PD. PD, you know, right? Physical design. Layout engineer, correct? Here we have we have TFT. What else? What else do you know? What about pre-silicon and post-silicon validation? Have you ever heard?
Yes, ma'am. We heard it.
So to which category that belongs to? Pre-silicon validation. Any idea? Okay. So you will have an assignment here. So check. So if pre and post belongs to front or backend. Okay. Can you do this? Guys, please let me know.
Yep.
Okay. For your kind information, I expect replies from your end. I want the session to be interactive. Guys, are you getting it? Everybody.
Yes,
I would like to have replies from your end. Please.
Yes, ma'am.
So you should be cooperative enough and interactive enough in order to support me in teaching. Okay. So your replies, your interaction will help me and motivate me to teach more. Okay. So see, my field is design and verification. I'm a design and verification engineer. Okay. So I'll just talk about design and verification and also RTL design. Okay. Which I'm aware of. So coming to design and verification, you will be dealing with Verilog. Have you heard the word SB ever?
Yes, ma'am. System.
Yes, right? System Verilog. System Verilog. And what about this? Have you ever heard this? UVM. Is it new?
Universal verification methodology.
Universal verification methodology, right? Okay. So then what else you need? What do you guys think? What else more? Only these languages? What else? Any idea?
Protocols.
Scripting, Perl, or
Protocols,
Python.
right? Scripting, of course, right? Then what else? Very, very, very important. Very important. Got it? Guys, are you getting it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So very, very important. So I'm marking it as VVI, which indicates very, very important. Okay. And also we have GVIM. Most important. I'll tell you what exactly GVIM deals with. Okay. And coming to RTL design. See, RTL design usually deals with Verilog. Okay. CDC, do you know CDC? What is CDC?
Clock domain crossing.
Right. Very good. Excellent. Yes, it is CDC. And you'll also you'll also work on lint. Okay. But currently, since my profile is related to design and verification, I'll only be discussing about design and verification. Those who are really interested in STA or DFT, so you should not focus on not focus on coding. Okay. And here also backend completely not focus. Guys, getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Okay. So I hope
Yes,
you
ma'am.
guys are really interested in design and verification, that is front end. Am I
Okay,
right?
Yes.
Yep.
See, coming to job opportunities, as far as my knowledge and the information that I obtained from my colleagues is okay. So I'm unaware about the backend. Okay. So right now, whatever I know and whatever the information that I have collected, so is what I'm trying to represent it. Okay. So as far
Ma'am,
as
what
I
about
know, design
the
and
job?
verification.
Hello.
Mhm.
What
Yeah.
about the job openings in RTL design for a fresher?
For a fresher, it is very difficult to get into RTL. It's really tough. That too in a product-based company, it is kind of hectic to get.
So, if someone wants to get in RTL design, like, what's the procedure?
Mhm. Then you should be strong in digital, Verilog, CDC, and the tools related to that.
No, if there is no opening for freshers, then how
Mhm.
come
Mhm.
one will apply?
Usually, some companies will hire you as interns and then they will train you. And later on, they will give the FT, full-time employment, based on your performance and also the designation. That happens.
ఇచ్చాలే డబ్బులు ఇచ్చేసా
Can you please mute yourself, guys?
1500 ఇచ్చా
Ma'am, one more small doubt
Yeah.
there, ma'am.
Mhm.
Here, like as I'm from my bachelor's degree, I don't know yet, ma'am.
Mhm.
But here, like when you try, like wrote STA and for the not focus on coding, like what do you mean by not focus on coding? Like what we need to learn there? if you want to go.
Static timing analysis deals with timing only, and which I'm unaware. Like I'm not much aware about those two. That is why I'm only concentrating on design and verification and a little bit of RTL design.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
So
Thank you.
if you are asking any questions related to STA, DFT, or any backend, sorry, I'm not aware of that. Okay.
Sometime more boy. Sometime more boy.
Am I audible now?
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am, yes,
okay. Just a minute. Now, am I audible?
Now it's fine. Now it's fine.
Okay. Okay. Are you guys aware of digital electronics? Are you well versed with that? Please let me know. So if you guys are aware of digital electronics from your engineering, that is bachelor's, are you well versed with that?
Not well versed exactly, ma'am, but I have a very good understanding of digital electronics.
Okay. Mhm. Okay. There's one more thing which I would like to add, that is electronics, which is really required. Okay. So let's just delete this. So we need to concentrate mostly on this. I hope you all are willing to get into this profile itself. I hope so. Okay.
What about
Okay,
the
so
DFT jobs, ma'am?
I have already mentioned, please do not ask much about STA, DFT, or backend because I'm unaware of it. Okay. Can you guys rate yourself in Verilog coding for 5, according to your understanding? For 5, based on whatever you have learned, can you please rate yourself and share it
Ma'am, zero.
in the
Please
chat box?
start.
Let me just check.
Ma'am, please start with basic.
I know I'll be starting with basics, but I should know, right? Because I was asked to take up some interview questions and explain. That is why, based on your ratings, I'll be explaining. Come on, guys. Yeah, I'm going to start with basics. Please rate yourself so that I'll get to know how much you have.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's Manikanta, and my rating
Mhm.
means 3 out of 5, ma'am.
Yeah, you can just post it in the chat
Okay, ma'am.
box. Yeah, I'm actually looking into it. Okay, so most of them are 0, 2, 3, beginner. Okay, 1 as well. Okay, guys. So I would like to really assure you. So after Verilog training, so your ratings will be 5 by 5. Okay, I would really like to assure you this
Thank you,
based
ma'am.
on my previous
Thank you.
experiences. Okay. And yeah, so let's start with basics. Okay. Okay, I have few questions here. Okay. Write a function, okay, which is a multiplier of 4. So you might be understanding, right? What is a multiplier? Multiplication of 4. Example. It should calculate 4 cross 1, which is equal to 4. What does this indicate? We are trying to multiply, right? Are you getting it, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Until 4 cross 10 is equal to 40. So you need to multiply from 1 to till 10, correct?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yeah, and when it reaches 40, this 40 should get divided by 2.
Ma'am, your voice is
Are
lagging
you
a
getting
little
it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, listen, I'll tell you. Listen properly, carefully. Okay, see, we have 4 cross 1 multiplication which we need to perform. Okay, till where? Till 4 cross 10, correct? Are you getting it? So initially we need to multiply, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Guys, all of you should reply. There are 51 participants. I anticipate
Yes,
all of
ma'am.
them to reply. Okay. So after multiplying and when we reach 40. So when do we exactly get 40? 4 cross 10, which is nothing but what? 40, right?
Yes.
Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So when we reach 40, we need to divide it by 2. Correct? Are you getting this?
Yes,
Have you
ma'am.
all got my question?
Yes,
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
these are like whatever the upcoming questions which I'm going to give you, all those are logical questions. Okay. Logical questions. So which will be asked. Okay, in your interviews. Got it, guys? This is just a sample. So can you please give me a logic, simple logic, how to come up with this? Any loops or maybe in C language or maybe in any of the language. Please write it in the chat box. Please. Okay. Just think about it. I have a question here. See, 4 is constant. Okay. I'll also give a hint. See, your initial value is 4, correct? And we have n as a variable. N is varying. Varying in the sense, what does that mean? So it can be varied from 1 to 10. I'm getting it 1 to 10. And then you need to divide it by 2. Please give me a logic. Okay. So by the time you give a logic, I'll just write. Okay. Whatever is possible. Okay, so if n is equal to 10, you can use any of the loops. There is no such condition. See, you need to provide a condition. Write it using a for loop or if loop. Don't just give a logic. Please write it with the help of loops. While loop, if loop, for loop, or whichever loop you would like to. Please consider this and write. I have also given a hint, a simple hint. Quick guys, you might be knowing C language. If you are even familiar with basics of C language will obviously get to know this. Okay. Please do it as soon as possible. But there are a lot more things which I would like to teach. Yeah, I'm getting replies. And also, please change your ID as your name because there are some IDs which I can't identify. Okay. X is equal to 4. For int I is equal to 1, I less than 10, I plus plus, y is equal to x multiplied by 4. All right. So if y becomes equal to 40, so y by 2. Right. Okay. This can be for I in range. Okay. The legend, I don't know who is he. Which language is this for I in range? Is this Python? Please do unmute yourself and please let me know what is this.
It's Python, ma'am. I'm Apeksha.
Okay. Okay, so I'm getting enough replies. Lavanya, if n is equal to 10. So what are you going to do? Okay, let me just see. See, this is what is our condition, right? So we need to start from 4 cross 1 and end it till 4 cross 10, right? So after reaching 4 cross 10, which is 40, the value of this is 40, what are we going to do? Divide by 2. So if x is equal to 40, what this x indicates? This value, right? Guys, are you getting it? I have taken some variable x, okay? Don't mind. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please reply. Please let the session be interactive. Please do reply because all these are really important. These are the interview questions which is being asked. Please. Okay. So if x is equal to 40, what am I trying to do? I'm trying to divide it, right? Divided by what? 2. Guys, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Yeah. So these kind of logic. Are you guys getting it? Have you all got this? See, this 4. This 4 is constant, right? I can take it as n is equal to 4, correct? And this 1, 2, up to 10 is varying. I can take it as I, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
for
Hmm.
I is equal to 1 because you are starting from where? 1, right? Are you getting it? Are you all getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So for I is equal to 1, I less than what?
Less than or equal to 10.
Yes, less than or equal to 10. Correct. I plus plus. X is equal to, what is it?
Increment.
4 multiplied by I. Correct? Is this correct? X is equal to 4 multiplied by I. So as the loop starts, so it starts from 1, right? 4 cross 1, and then 4 cross 2, it continues. Till where? Till 10. Later on, this condition can be applied. This condition. Are you getting it? All of you.
Yes, ma'am.
So I want the replies from all of you. Please do reply. Okay. Yeah. So I hope you all have understood the logic. All of you have got the logic.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Yes,
if
ma'am.
you can come up,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Okay. Yeah, yeah. Okay. So then there is one more question. So can you code a logic where the first value of the variable will be 5? Okay. And the next value will be +2. What this indicates? See, my initial value is equal to what? Guys, please tell me, what is it?
5.
Yes, right? So initially it is 5. And then what is the logic? Later it should be +2. It should be continuous. Correct? +2. Can I take it for infinite times? Can I run a for loop for infinite times?
No, ma'am.
Is it possible or is it not possible? Tell me.
It is
For
not
loop for
possible.
infinite time.
It
It
is
is
not possible.
possible, but it will hang your PC or laptop, right? Which is not a good condition. Are you getting it, guys? Whatever I'm saying? Okay. So for this, so initial value, let me consider I as 5. Okay. So let's write a logic of this. Okay. So if I'm considering I is equal to 5. So I need another variable to store sum. Correct? Are you getting it?
Yes.
So let's take integer only. Integer is of 32 bits. So we'll directly take it as integer. For. Can I take n? Is that possible? Come on, guys. Reply. Hello. Guys, am I audible?
You have not declared it.
Right. So integer n. Okay. Integer I. So now can I take?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now tell me the logic. Come on. You guys can do it. N is equal to what? Okay, so let's assume that let's not run it for infinite times. Let's run it for 10 times. Okay, 10 times. Okay, now tell me. For n is equal to 0. Can I start with 0?
Initial value 5.
Is this okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure.
N plus one. Yeah.
Here, what you have to do? Am I right? Is it 5 plus 2?
I plus
No,
Oh,
it's
no.
static.
What is it?
should be I plus
Sum
I
plus equal to.
plus?
two. Yeah.
Is this correct?
First, we need to initialize sum to 5, and then in this loop, sum plus equal to 2.
Yes, that is also possible. I have taken extra variable. That's all. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So coming to this. Okay. I'll explain this for you. See, initially we have 5. 5 plus 2 is what? 7. Then 9. Then what? I don't know. I don't know maths. Please help me out.
Loop terminate.
It will
When
stop.
the loop terminate
So
when the
till
end.
where? Up to 10 times. I told, right? I have given 10 times.
Okay.
Right? 10 times in the sense, where will it stop? Which number? This is
23.
first number
9.
1.
It won't
Hey,
work.
come on, guys.
Ma'am, your
See, this is
logic
first
wrong.
number. No, no.
Ma'am,
Listen,
23?
listen.
23.
See, starting from 5, you need to count 10 times, right?
23.
And
Or
here we are adding
excluding or
2. with only I, so I will always be 5 there. So it will be
Yes.
7,
Yeah.
7, 7.
Yeah,
I was
yeah,
about to tell
yeah.
Your logic is strong, ma'am.
Oh, yes, yes. Why didn't you guys point out? Okay, now
N
tell
should be
me, I
initialized.
need to count from 5. Wait, I need to count from 5, or I need to exclude this 5 and start with 7. How do I count? 10 times.
Sum is equal to sum plus 2.
No,
Yeah,
no,
if
no.
we
Tell
initialize
me
sum
whether
to
I have to take this 5 into consideration while counting 10 times or not. That is, this 5 is the first time, 7 is the second time. See, I am excluding 5 right here. See, I have not included, the plus 2 will become what? If I print here within a for loop, what this becomes? 7, right? I have started from here, right? Do I have to include this 5 for counting 10 times or exclude that 5? What is it?
Exclude.
Okay, now tell me the logic. Let me- So it should count till 23. Is it right, guys? Tell me, what is this? What is the logic behind this?
If we initialize sum is equal to 5 means like sum is equal to sum plus 2.
Sum is equal to 5.
Yeah.
And then what we can do here?
sum plus equal to 2.
Sum plus 2. And tell me, do we require this?
No.
No, ma'am.
So I'll have to delete this, right? So what if I use an extra variable? Hello, am I audible, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Waste of?
Memory.
Until we
Okay.
until we define it, it will take memory.
Mhm.
Otherwise, it will not take.
Yes, it won't take. It will throw an error. Okay. So can you code a logic where the first value of the variable will be 5 and then it gets added with 2 powers? What is this? 2 power I. I is varying. Are you getting this? See, it is like 5 plus 2 power 0. This 0 is indicating what? I value. Okay. I value starts from maybe 0 to 10. Are you getting it, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
5 plus
Yes, ma'am.
2 power 1. 5 plus 2 power 2. So which is varying here? Powers, right? 0, 1, 2. All these, correct?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now tell me the logic for this. So where 5 plus 2 power I. So what should be within the for loop? So for what? Or what I have to declare initially?
Initially integer I.
Okay. So integer I. Okay. Then integer, let's take X. Can we take
storing.
X for storing 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So for I is equal to 0 till where? Is this correct?
To 10.
What
It
are we
will
going
go
to
up
do?
to 11.
It will go up to
0 to
11.
10. 0 to 10.
See, it is less than or equal to. Okay. Now tell me the logic for this. Do I have to
Same,
take this x?
X is equal to X plus 2 power of.
Is this correct?
I think we should keep it in a bracket.
Okay. That doesn't matter. Anyways. Okay, tell me, is this logic correct or not?
Can I see the original question once more?
Yeah, sure. It's here.
Okay. Okay.
Got it? So please let me know, is this correct? Or there is something which I need to change. See, so initially I'll be starting with 5. Correct?
No,
5
ma'am,
is
this
equal
is
to
not correct. Like
5
2
plus
plus 0 is 2 4 0 is 1.
2
So
power